Okay, I'm leaving Lightning Creek, and road's not nearly as bad as it used to be. It's not nearly the camping site it used to be either, but this is as bad as the road gets. So let's take a look. Everything under here all seems to be pretty good gravel. Might get a little bit deep. It doesn't look like we've seen rain in a while, but this is still a pretty good hole. So we'll splash through it first. Wipers on. Dive in. Boggy.
Turn left onto West 4200 Road.
Another bog. And another little one. Nothing too bad. Got a few other little bumpy places to go through, but this place will probably really suck whenever it gets some mud on it, or some water on it, to make it mud. See y'all later.